Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into NEMA Smart Charging Dashboard for safety checks step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the NEMA Smart Charging Dashboard. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the Login section. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If your password is case-sensitive, ensure that you type it accurately. For added security, double-check your entries for any typos. Once both fields are filled in correctly, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to submit your credentials. Wait for the page to refresh and direct you to the dashboard. If your credentials are correct, you will see the main dashboard interface. In case of a login error, check the error message displayed on the screen. Review your username and password for any mistakes. If you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Safety Checks section on your main dashboard. Now you are ready to perform safety checks on your smart charging system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.